Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening. Shirley ma'am, good evening. You are on mute.
1 second. Good evening, dear. Good evening, all students. I think students have not yet joining. Only a few are they can see. Only
Yeah.
16 I can see.
That's the total. So we'll wait for 5 minutes.
We'll wait for 5 minutes. So
Yeah.
there are more than 200 students. We have already 4 divisions are there, and we have already sent the link and all that.
So right after 5 minutes, we can
After
again.
5 minutes. Yeah, ma'am. Pratibha ma'am, I've sent a WhatsApp message for you.
Yeah, regarding that. Okay, I understand.
Okay, because I have my class also.
Okay,
So
fine.
so I'll just introduce yourself and then leave.
Yeah.
Because by 20 I have to join.
Okay.
प्रतिभा मैम, हेलो।
Yeah, ma'am. Bolo.
या ये रिकॉर्ड भी करके मुझे भेज देना, सो इन केस
हाँ, recording चालू.
हाँ, if those who couldn't join in, I can send it in their group so that they can have a look at it.
Yeah, I understand. Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay.
Sure, sure.
Pratibha ma'am, can we start? I think once it is 50, we can start. That's around
Okay.
49 participants.
It's fine.
Okay. Because if they had to join in, it's now already 7.
Okay.
Good evening, students. Good evening, Pratibha ma'am. Students, I want all your cameras on. Let me see. I haven't seen your faces. It's quite some time. It's almost more than a year. Please on your cameras. Jara shakal dikhao apni. So all of you got your result? All of you got your result? Unmute yourself.
Yes.
It is possible. Yes. Okay.
Yes,
So all set for college now. Huh? So you all want to go to college, or you would like to sit online and learn? Fingers crossed. We'll pray that you all can go to college, enjoy your college life. Today we have amidst us, we have the principal of Chandraban Sharma Degree College, Dr. Pratibha Singh. Ma'am is BCom Masters in Commerce, B.Ed and PhD in Commerce, and she heads the college, and she has come here to just give you the highlights of the college. What are the courses which they have? As it is lockdown and it's Corona is going on, I'm sure many of your parents don't want to send you all very far off places. So we have our sister concern, the college close by to your houses. So they are offering many courses, which you will come to know when Pratibha ma'am is going to tell you which all courses they have. And I'm sure you can pick up the courses you want, and you can take the opportunity of joining our own sister concern, okay, and continue your education. I request Pratibha ma'am. Ma'am, good evening, ma'am. Welcome. Welcome. I think welcome, because this is from your this. A warm welcome to our children. All are eagerly probably waiting to know about the courses, and I'm sure they want to come to Chandraban College. I think it's more than 50 students. Now it's around 53, an average of 50. So let's see, even maybe others also may join in. Okay, over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Principal Shirley ma'am, for your kind words, introduction. And you have spread the word among your students, and they are joining. Quite a few of them have joined, and I'm sure all of them will join in some time. So good afternoon, students. Good afternoon, parents, teachers also, if they have joined the session.
Yeah, they are there.
Yeah, some of them are there. So we have organized this orientation program specially for Powai English High School students who are our same management students from the school, which is under the same management, which is a sister concern and in-house institution. So students, first of all, let me congratulate all of you. Yesterday we got your result and all of you have come with flying colors. So hearty congratulations to you and your parents. You have completed your SSC, a big milestone. The schooling is over, students. Now you all will enter into the second phase of your life, that is the college life, the college education. And I'm sure you and your parents will now start looking for a good college. You will start exploring the various courses which are available in college, the stream, art, science, commerce stream. So students, no need to run here and there, no need to wonder. We have our own college, your own college rather, I would say, because you all are students of Powai English. So your own college under same management, that is Chandraban Sharma College at Powai Vihar, which is very, very close to you. So I welcome all of you to Chandraban Sharma College. And here we are here to explain you the various options which are available, the subjects, the examination pattern, all that which you want to know today. I'm going to show you a presentation where you will understand. After that, we will have the question answer session where we will clear your doubts. Over and above that, the college is open, students. The office, principal's office is fully functional. We are coming to college every day. So you, along with your parents, you can come down to college if you want to solve your queries. If today you are not able to ask, you want to see the college infrastructure, you want to meet the principal, you want to come to office, want to know so many other details, you can come to college. So parents, आप लोग बच्चों के साथ कॉलेज आ सकते हैं, आपको जो भी पूछना है हम लोग कॉलेज में अवेलेबल हैं, तो आप सब वेलकम हैं, कभी भी आ सकते हैं. And today I am going to share the details with you. Just a minute. Okay, so once again, welcome for the orientation program organized by Chandrabhan Sharma College. So students, this is Chandrabhan Sharma College of Science and Commerce, which is located very close to you at Powai Vihar. The location is very pleasant, close to Powai Lake, lush greenery, and a beautiful garden opposite the college. Chandrabhan Sharma College is named after our inspiration, Pandit Chandrabhan Ji Sharma, a great freedom fighter, Gandhian, and a philanthropist. He is the grandfather of present managing trustee, Mr. Prashant Ji Sharma. On screen, you can see the managing trustee of the college, Mr. Prashant Ji Sharma. He is the chairman of GHP Group and mentor of Chandrabhan Sharma College. Prashant Ji sir believes in the philosophy, education is not preparation for life, education is for life itself. Very true. GHP Group of schools and colleges are doing great work under the leadership of Mr. Prashant Sharma. All the schools and colleges under GHP Educations are established under the trust, which is named as Srimati Durga Devi Sharma Charitable Trust. Durga Devi Sharma Charitable Trust has been established for undertaking socially beneficial work like education. The trust provides relief to poor and needy by giving them scholarships, prizes, book bank facility, etc. The students on screen, you can see the educational institution, schools and college, which is under GHP Group. So the first one is Chandrabhan Sharma College. Then you can see Gopal Sharma Memorial School, which is an SSC board school, Gopal Sharma International School, an ICSE board school, your own Powai English High School you can see, then Gopal Sharma Blooming Buds, which is a chain of preschools. There are 3 preschools. One is in Hiranandani, another at Powai Vihar, and one more at Sakinaka. Then at Jaipur, there is a school, Bal Vishwa Bharati School, and also a junior college attached to the school. Then we have MAC Animation Center. It is opposite IIT near the Bhavani petrol pump. So these are the trustees of the governing council of Srimati Durga Devi Sharma Charitable Trust. So Mr. Prashant Ji Sharma, who is the managing trustee. Then other trustees are Sunita Devi Gopal Sharma, Mr. Dikshant Sharma, Mrs. Manju Sharma, and Mr. Himanshu Sharma. These are our trustees of the governing council. Student, this is the vision of the college, Chandrabhan Sharma College. Vision. Vision is the ultimate goal where we want to reach. So the vision of the college is to be an academy of excellence, which will provide transformative and empowering educational experiences to create globally competitive youth. All the activities of college are undertaken to reach the vision of the college. So excellence and transformation of youth is the ultimate goal of our college. All our teaching and learning activities are undertaken to achieve excellence and transform the youth to make them globally competitive. Now about the college, we have the junior college of science and commerce stream, which is under Maharashtra board, HSC board. And we also have a degree college, which is affiliated to University of Mumbai. I will explain you in detail about the degree college also. The college is NAAC accredited. NAAC is for the quality assessment of the college. So the college has undergone prestigious NAAC, which ensures that There is a quality education in our college. Also, one more information, the college is Hindi Linguistic Minority Institution. Under this, 50% of our seats are reserved for students who have Hindi as their mother tongue. So students from Hindi belt having Hindi as their mother tongue, they have priority in admission. So you have two quotas, one our in-house student being Powai English High School, you can apply under in-house quota. Then those who have mother tongue Hindi, they can also apply under Hindi Linguistic Minority Institution. So you have ample scope of reserving your seat under Chandrabhan Sharma College. Now let us understand about the streams or the subjects. So we have science and commerce, these two streams available in our college. Let us first start about science, understand science. English, physics, chemistry, and mathematics. These four subjects are compulsory under the marking scheme. And two more subjects, that is Jal Suraksha and Environment Studies, Health and Physical Education. These two are compulsory but graded subjects. So once again, I repeat, English, physics, chemistry, mathematics, compulsory under marking scheme, and EVS and physical education is compulsory, but it is a graded subject. Now look at the optional subjects where you have the option. So either you can choose biology or you can go for computer science as a specialization. Those students who want to do medical or paramedical, want to become doctor or some paramedical field, they can choose biology. Computer science is option under the vocational subjects. Those who choose computer science, they do not have to study biology. And second language, Hindi also is not applicable for them. Students who have taken biology, they will have to select second language Hindi, or if they don't want to study Hindi, they can go for IT, information technology. So that was about science. Now let us understand commerce. First, I've given you a list of compulsory subjects which you have to select. So there are 5 compulsory subjects. On screen you can see. First 3, English, bookkeeping and accountancy, and economics. These 3 are with marks. And next 2 subjects, that is environmental studies and physical education. These 2 are compulsory but graded subjects. Same as in science, I told you that these 2 are graded subjects. Now let us understand optional subjects. There are 3 group students. You can see there are 3 groups which you have to select any one. Suppose you select group 1. Then what happens? You can select either secretarial practice, which is a theory subject, or maths. If you don't like maths, maths become difficult for you, for example, then you can go for secretarial practice. It is known as SP also in short. Then second subject which you have to select under this group is OCM, that is Organization of Commerce and Management. It's a theory subject. And the last which you have to select is either Hindi or IT. So in this group, you have SP or maths, one, either SP or maths, then SP, and second is OCM, and third you have to select either IT or Hindi. So any 3 subjects you have to select. Oh, this was about group 1. Now, if you want to go for vocational subject, you don't want mathematics, you don't want secretarial practice, you don't want OCM, you want vocational subject, then another option is banking. You can specialize in banking. There are 2 papers of banking, and then you have either maths or OCM. Third option is if you want to specialize in marketing, then we have group 3. You have to select marketing and salesmanship. There are 2 papers, and the third one is either Organization of Commerce and Management and mathematics. So this is for science, commerce. Now, student, let us understand the evaluation system. In simple language, evaluation means at your level, I can explain it is regarding examination. So in that, for commerce students, I'll first explain commerce students. There are 2 unit tests in the year. In each term, there will be 1 unit test, 25 marks each. First term, you will have 50 marks examination for each subject. In the second term, the examination will be for 80 marks and 20 marks will be your internals. So I hope this is clear. There are 2 unit tests, 25 marks each per paper. Then first term examination 50 marks, second term examination is of 80 marks and 20 is internal. This is commerce. Now let us understand the examination and evaluation of science. Science also, if you see the unit test, it is same as commerce. In each term, you will have 1 unit test. So in the year, you will have 2 unit tests. Now, the first term examination, for all other subjects, you will have 50 marks theory paper. But for computer science, if you have taken computer science, in that case, theory paper 50 marks, and there will be a practical of 50 marks. Being a computer science subject, there will be a practical examination of 50 marks. Now, talking about the second term, for physics, chemistry, and biology, the paper will be of 70 marks and 30 marks will be practicals. In the lab, you will have to perform practicals. So that is 70-30. Other subjects like English, Hindi, IT, Maths, 80 marks paper and 20 marks will be your internal. And again, computer science is same as in first term, 50 marks theory paper and 50 marks your practicals. Student, this was about junior college. So I would also like to give you some idea about our degree college, because after completion of your 12th standard, you need not worry about the degree college admissions, because we have our own degree college. After completion of your 12th standard, your HSC, you can straight away join our degree.
Bachelor of Science, Technology, BDI.
Can you please keep yourself on mute, students? We will mute. We will have question answer session at the end. Once I explain everything, then we can have question answer session. Okay. I request students to be on mute. So these are the courses we have in our degree college. We have BCom. We have BSc IT, that is Bachelor of Science Information Technology. We have BCom specialization in accounting and finance, that is BAF. Then BMS, Bachelor of Management Studies. BBI, that is BCom specialization in banking and insurance. BFM, which is BCom specialization in financial markets. Then lastly, we have BAMMC, that is Bachelor of Arts in Multimedia and Mass Communication. So these are the courses we have under Mumbai University. We have one more university, that is YCMOU at Nashik. So we run 2 courses from YCMOU University, that is BCA, Bachelor of Computer Application, and a post-graduation course, MCA, Master of Computer Application. So these are some more courses which we have in our college. So it's not just about junior college. You can do your junior college, your degree college, and your post-graduation MCA also in our college. Now, students, please understand about the rules of the college. As you know, it's an educational institution. We have to follow the discipline. There has to be a rule. So as per Maharashtra Board rules of attendance, you must have minimum 75% attendance. Otherwise, you will not be allowed for the examinations. So remember, the college is strict for attendance. We will allow only genuine medical ground, if any, for the waiver of attendance. Otherwise, we will not. So be careful. Either it is online or offline lectures. In this pandemic period, we are having online lectures. So either online or offline, the attendance is compulsory. When you are in the college premises, students, for lectures, practicals, or you are visiting the library or office, you have to wear college ID card. It's a must. If you are found without identity card, you will not be allowed for lectures or examination or in the college campus. So please be careful about the rules of the college. About the infrastructure facilities now. Chandrabhan Sharma College has one of the best infrastructure facilities. Students, you can visit the college and see yourself. We have round the clock CCTV surveillance and physical security staff for the protection of our students and staff. College is well equipped with all the modern facilities in our lab: physics, chemistry, biology lab, IT lab, computer science lab, with the faculty for supervision and lab attendance. We have more than 100 computers available in the college, which is there in the IT labs. Computers are available in the library for students. Student committee room is also equipped with the computers. The library of the college is fully air conditioned, and we have a vast collection of more than 10,000 textbooks and reference books. We also have several newspapers, magazines, and journals in the library. We have access to enormous online content with a subscription to Enlist in our library department. Those students who are preparing for competitive exams, they can borrow books from the library. During exams, the library is kept open on Sundays and holidays also. So you can come to the library and study. Even if it is a Sunday or a holiday, the library is open for students. So students, you can avail good advantage of the library facility. For the needy students who face difficulty in buying books, we have something called as book bank facility that also the students who require can avail. Among other infrastructure facility, we have a very good conference room, a large auditorium, the cafeteria, boys common room, girls common room, examination room, and dedicated area for student activities like NSS room, cultural activity room, Rotaract club room. All those things are available in the college. Now, what are the facilities for the academic enrichment? For the academic enrichment, we invite guest lectures. We have ICT teaching. Classrooms have ICT facility like projectors, computer, mic, speaker, etc. The attendance of the college is taken digitally. Students, they carry RFID cards, and with the reader machine, the attendance is marked. Attendance is then updated on the college app, which parents and students can check. Career guidance and placement cell. We have career guidance and placement cell, which organizes informative session on various career options available to students. So after 12th, what courses you can do. All those informative sessions are given by the career guidance cell of the college. We have PTA, we have Alumni Association. They give suggestions for the betterment of the college. The college management provides scholarships and prizes to the academic toppers, overall best student, students who excel in sports, best library user. So under various categories, the management gives prizes and scholarship to the students. Now regarding co-curricular activities. For the overall development, various co-curricular activities are organized, like we take students for industrial visit for their exposure. We organize cultural fest, which is known as Squash. Under that, students from different colleges come together and they take part in various activities. Then we have intercollegiate, inter-school quiz competition, Impulse. Some of you may have participated in Impulse earlier. Then we have presentation competition in our college, and there are various clubs and association for students whereby the competitions are organized and students can participate and they can develop themselves. Now, very important, that is the sports activity. College offers good indoor and outdoor sports facilities. Intra and inter-college competitions are organized and students are encouraged to participate in this competition. And they are also sent to other colleges for participation. The best athlete of the college is awarded in the annual day function of the college. We have full-time sports teachers and coaches for various sports like cricket, football, kabaddi, table tennis, chess, badminton, carom, boxing, etc. We also have state-of-the-art gymnasium for students. I can proudly say, students, that our gymkhana and gymnasium is one of the best. So that's all from our side. With this, I once again welcome all of you to Chandravan Sharma College. It is the college under same management as Powai English High School. So I would say your school, your college. So you will have the preference as an in-house students. Students, you and your parents can visit the college, come and meet us. Today also we have with us the junior college coordinator. He is also joined the meeting, Mr. Satyanand Singh. So you can also meet him, come to the college. Now after this session, I would like to invite students and parents to ask if they have any query. आप लोगों को अगर कुछ भी पूछना है तो आप लोग अभी पूछ सकते हैं. Yes, students, parents, आपको कुछ पूछना है? Any questions? Something I can see in the chat box. Any relevant question in the chat box?
Hello, ma'am. This is one of the parents, from Anjali. So I'm his uncle, basically. So I just wanted to know, is there any timeline when the admission process is going to start for the junior college?
See, as you may be aware, the admission process of junior college is online. कई
Yes.
साल से हो गया है online. It is not that you can come to college directly, fill the form, and the admission is over. That is not the process. The online process, and this year, due to pandemic, they have also announced CET.
Yeah.
But the exact procedure has not been notified by board. We are expecting very shortly. कल ही result आया है, तो एक या दो दिन के अंदर शायद आ जाना चाहिए कि what is the exact procedure when you students can start filling the form. Normally last year तक क्या होता था कि students, they used to go to their school, fill up the form, and then the board gives us the merit list, and accordingly we have to give the admission. But students have to select in-house quota, minority quota. So suppose a student selects under in-house quota our college, then the student will get admission. But usko online process ke through hi jana hai. So abhi we are just expecting within a day or two, or whenever we get the information, immediately we will inform your school. School will also come to know, and they will inform you in your WhatsApp group. So I will request Principal Shirley ma'am. I will have a talk with her. As soon as we get the admission process circular, that will be shared with all of you, and you can immediately start doing the needful. ठीक है ना sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah.
जैसे ही हमारे पास proper information आ जाती है, हम लोग पवई इंग्लिश में शेयर कर लेंगे मैम के साथ.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, Satyanand sir.
Yeah, ma'am, one student asking it is CET is compulsory or not. So
Yes, sir,
CET
you can
is not-
answer.
Yeah.
Satyanand sir, you can answer.
Yeah, see, somebody asked about the CET exam is compulsory or not. So student, let me tell you, CET is not compulsory for taking admission in 11th standard. It's your choice. If you want to appear for CET, you can appear. Otherwise, if you don't want to appear, don't appear. It's up to you.
Maybe a question more from my side. So I would just like to know, I don't know if it is a relevant question or not, but I would just like to know what was the last year cutoff for basically all this, maybe if I want to know about science subject as a, so what was the cutoff?
Cutoff is basically depends on the every year, the marks, how the marks get in the board exam. That is based upon they declare the cutoff basically. But minimum you can say is above 60 is the cutoff for science. And the same almost for commerce also.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
See, cutoff is under different criteria also. For our in-house student, the cutoff may be little less, but for outsiders, the cutoff is high.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. Ma'am, can I answer this?
Yeah, please.
Yes, student, if you are appearing for the CET, if it is not compulsory, the things is what, even if you are not appearing for the CET, it is sure that you will get admission in colleges. But if you want to go for the better college or better, institute, so you have to appear CET, because first preference will get the student, those who are appearing for the CET. The later on, the other student, those who have not appeared the CET, they will get the admission. That is the use of appearing CET and those who are not appearing CET.
Okay.
So if you want to go for the better college, better institute, which is compulsory for such student, you have to appear the CET exam.
Yeah, priority will be given to CET students. Once their admission is complete, then others who have not appeared for CET.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So everybody will basically get admission, but those who have
Yes.
cleared CET, they will get priority. Anybody else?
CET maybe you will have this month of last week or August 1st week. This is the tentatively I'm telling you, but it is not decided. Date is not declared till now, but maybe the last week of July or first week of August you will have. And for the more information, you can keep in touch with your school teacher. They will update you.
You can also come to college. As I already mentioned that you can come to college.
Yes.
You can meet the office people. You can come and meet the principal, the coordinator, Satyanand Singh. You're welcome to college if you have any doubt, because not everybody is asking question. So maybe you take your time and you come down to college. You can see the college also.
Yeah, Pratima ma'am, this is Ansela teacher from Powai English High School.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Good evening. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
Ma'am, I would like to really thank you for your valuable time and input, briefing our students regarding the courses and streams available. So
Thank you,
students,
ma'am. It is our pleasure.
yeah, students, are you hearing me? You can inform
Yes,
all your
ma'am.
friends who
Yes,
could not
miss.
make it for the day. You can inform all your friends who could not make it for the day to attend this. Okay, you can inform about the college. Understood, students? You can inform all your friends about the Chandraban Sharma College. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. We will share the video
Okay.
also.
Yes,
Recording
yes,
we
ma'am.
will
Thank
share.
you.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, students, parents.
Thank you, ma'am.